How to fix your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations of community guidelines on TikTok. So if you're also facing such issue, so first thing what you need to do is just come over to your TikTok application and make sure you're logged into your account, and just tap on this profile icon and click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and just select settings and privacy, and from over here scroll all the way down until you see the option called report a problem. Scroll all the way down and just click on this chat with us button over here and just select it, and from over here you just have to describe your issue to the TikTok team, and this will be getting back to you within a few hours regarding your issue to help your issue fixed. And for some reason if you can't access your TikTok account officially, then in that case just head over to any of your favorite browser and just simply search in for TikTok help center. So what you can also do is just click on this TikTok contact us button or report a problem from over here, and when you click on it just select report a problem from over here and scroll all the way down, and as you can see there is an option called you can also contact them through their online reporting form. Just tap on this. So here basically you have to select your problem about your topic, TikTok ban, account ban, suspension, or such as like this, and as you can see you have to read the following to update your issue, that is you update your app to the latest version and tap on profile at the bottom and tap on this what icon at the top of the login page and select suspended account and check if your account has been suspended. So once you verify that, you can always come back to over here and simply talk about your issue by describing to them, and your TikTok teams will be successfully reviewing it and ensuring to solve your issue as soon as possible. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.